Aloha, I'm Mia Tanya, and this is this is our introduction to what's about ready to happen to me. It's going to be an adventure and a journey with us, off and on, while I am getting ready for shoulder surgery. I had seen a couple individuals do their shoulder surgery segments, and I'm curious as to what happens and what are people going through in recovery and how long and so on down the way. So after seeing that, I said, I think I'm going to do mine too in case someone's doing the same thing I am right now. I'm pre-op right now for my shoulder. They're going to replace it. They're doing a reverse total replacement reversal surgery, which means instead of this part here is my humerus going into the shoulder in here. Usually this will have like a little plastic plate like thing, and then this one has a big ball thing, and then this kind of rolls in here. That's how your shoulder works anyways. I won't be able to pull my arm behind my back and what have you. So instead of it doing like this, they're putting the ball part on this part and the plate in here. And I guess it's supposed to be a lot stronger, more sturdy. The only bad thing is I can't really reach behind my back. Well, that's why I got this arm if I need it. I got back scratchers, and I'm not afraid to ask for help. I'll learn more about that. The shoulder we had my doctor's appointment today, and the MRI and the CTs both disclosed that it's a train wreck. It's rips and tears everywhere. The bone itself is not smooth, it's rough and irregular. It's bone on bone in there, there's no cushion, no nothing, arthritic, and caused from the wreck, other damages. Put it all together. I'm getting a new ball on socket in there. The doctor I have is really good. Dr. Kent, he's with Western Washington Medical Group, and he's my ortho surgeon. And so we had our talk today, got to see all the pretty pictures, and kind of, I kind of thought, I'm scared, I'm afraid. No, I'm not scared and afraid. Yeah, I am and not. No, it's like, I'm not going to swear. I'll probably do that later. But right now, no. I'm very concerned about it. Connie has to step up and do a lot more, and I'm going to have to kind of step back. So I'm already going through that right now. So the reason why I'm having surgery is I'm not able to do what I used to. I have a few other injuries, and they're starting to creep up on me, and it's taken about a year. There's not much I can do about it. I have to one surgery at a time or one issue at a time right now. It's kind of how it is. It's the least of the worries down there, from what I understand. So the least of my worries is my ankles and my Achilles and my knee, but we'll deal with that one later. And I have arthritis too, so it's one or the other. I've had this for a long time, and the car crash just escalated everything beyond where it's at. So it's just, I'm not a happy camper. Okay, so this is our first post in this part of Mia, Tanya, and Connie adventures. We're hoping that it's informative in many ways. And if there are questions, what have you, hopefully it will answer a few of them that are there. Will it hurt? Yes, it will. Am I going to have lots of drugs? Yes, I will. Am I going to be a grouch? Oh, yes, I am. Am I going to try to be at least be a human? Yes, I will. So I have a lot of help. I have a lot of cheerleaders, and there's more on the way. And I'm not alone. And this is not an uncommon surgery here in where I'm at. I, it just, the Rolling Stones best said it. What a drag it is getting older. Do-do-do, 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 do-do-do. Oh, doctor, please, some more of these. Anyways, I hope that it's not too traumatic for a lot of people, because it is for me right now, but no, I'll do okay. I had a young lady on one of my sites made a statement. They've kind of gotten to know me, it's heard things about me, what have you, and says, you're a strong person. You'll do okay, just from your own strength, just from what she's seen me go through so far, and followed a little bit on Facebook, and kind of our antics that we do, and the humor and lack of, and all the above. So I have people that, this is someone that one of my friends went to high school with me and junior high, and this is his half side, and so yeah, she's heard about me and what have you, and no, you'll do okay. You've already gone through hell, and you go through whatever hell is, and you'll be okay. And we will be. So, is there a lot of fear and what have you? It's like your inquisitive fear. And I've seen enough surgeries, I've seen enough what it looks like, so I don't need to over bombard me with that. It's more of the personal stories of how right now I have some anxieties, and not over anxieties where I can't eat and sleep. It's just, I'm a human. Okay, you want the magic, the wand to come down, ting, it's all good, you're good. Now there's going to be an adventure with this, so I already know that. I've gone through surgeries before. I've had rotator cuff on my left and rotator cuff on my right. My left did frozen shoulder, and my right did frozen shoulder. And other body parts have gone through other surgeries, and it's not. I don't know why I had to go and they had to realign the body after some time that it just locked in, couldn't do it, and so they had to unlock it, and after that it was all right. I'm not going to throw a ball. I never really wanted to anyways. I'm not going to be able to go surfing, because you've got to have you just got to hang hard. Can I go boogie boarding? Probably, but nothing big. I'm not going to hit anything at 10 foot or something like that. And I hit the ground, I just destroy myself. So little bunny, I'll figure it out. I'll take a boat. I'll take pictures of people doing it for me. And I'll do whatever I gotta do. But my range of motion will be restricted in a lot of ways, but they say my pain is going to be pretty much gone. There's, they were talking about the fingers because of being in the sling coming out, and then you have to move your arm back and forth. And that's, so this here, you're still locked in, it's your elbow. Your elbow's got to go up, and they get your fingers to do stuff. So I got a gyro ball, I got a bunch of other things. I have to watch that because of arthritis, but the meds they're going to pump in me will hold me over, and I'll be able to do some stuff. Get off medications. I have to be ahead of it. Don't be behind on there, and the pain starts coming up, and then you gotta, then you have. So I know about pain management. I want off of it as soon as possible. I will be doing Pakalolo and CBDs, and I have no problem on that at all. I have tinctures and all sorts of good stuff. So I'm ready. I'm hoping that emotionally I'll do okay. I think I am. You know, spiritually, I'm trying to be strong. Physically, I suck. You know, I still have it. I can still smile a bit even with this. I've been through enough surgeries. They're all the outcome is basically I get better. So I've been an active person. I don't have a problem with not being an active person. But now I'm a CEO of our company and our corporation. I'm gonna, when this happens, it's put me into another position of our company, of what we do. So I'll be doing more in here. You know, we work out of our house. So I'll do more of whatever it takes, whether it's sales or encouragement or what. But first off, I got to recover. So that's my first priority. I told Connie, give me a week and a half. No, as soon as I can. I'll go. It's our company. It's our business. I'll do some grunt work if I have to. I may not be able to. And that's, you know.
And we're working on finding some people to help us.
We're actually hiring right now.
Yeah, so if anybody.
We're actually, our company is hiring people to do some, it's just supplements like Social Security. Yeah, if you have it's semi-retirement, and it's part-time. And piecework is what it is, paid by, you know, each different job. So it's not by the hour or anything, or by the miles, what have you.
But I did read an article today that the state is investing in affordable housing.
Oh yeah, they're doing the affordable
like
housing here
stuff.
in the Puget Sound area, Seattle area, what have you. And we do a lot of real estate photography. We do a lot of new construction, house flipping. In this case here, whoever the lenders are will be there to verify that whatever's going on in the job and other things. So we're going to be getting very busy again, and we need the crew. Drone crews, pilots, and what have you, that can fly drones and are certified FAA. And that pays money too. That's a good industry, and we're doing that too. A couple of rodeo ones that'd be great if they could fly. You know, it's like I've seen drone rodeos. We may have to go attend one and see what's going on, because if they can get in and out of a building, that'd be, you know, adds more to what we're doing. Instead of having to walk up, you know, 8 flights of stairs, fly the drone in there. Can it be done? Yeah, that's what it's called, drone rodeo. It's a rodeo thing, and they have them in buildings, what have you, and I'm sure in what we're wanting, it can be done. We're, you know, if not, walk up and down, you know, but it's done for outsides, for surveying our buildings up and down, on the top, the roofs, what have you. Have they, you know, outside where gutters are supposed to go and have you, is there, you know, molding, is there weatherproofing, you know, and it's hard to see unless you go up in a you know, a bucket, or if you're on scaffolding or whatever, ladders. I don't want to be doing that. So that's why we have the drones. The drone will go up there and they can actually see what's there without anybody getting hurt. So we're doing expansions of our company right now, and yes, we're hiring. We'll even go up to the college and see if some of the kids want to do some. It might pay for some of their books, or, you know, their copies or whatever it is, you know. So this is cool. We have our own company and everything. But back to this right now. Yeah, I've got to take a step back, and that's what's going to allow us to expand without me being in the field. We can actually expand and hire people to do the job. We'll be able to have people to do more work now. It's not relied on me anymore. I've carried this company as far as I can go at this point. You know, Connie and I talked about it was all on my back. She did a lot of the paperwork, but the grunt work someone had to go there and, you know, argue and what have you, and that's all I've been doing. So I finally, it's not to be greedy. I would be greedy not doing anything. All right, I don't know if I said that right, but no, I have to take care of myself, because if I don't, then I'm doing damage to this company. So in order for this company to get stronger, I gotta get stronger too. So I can do more of my job, and I'll be in the field. I'm actually going in the field tomorrow. I can still do stuff. Just when I have surgery, it's probably not advisable to be bouncing around in a car for a couple weeks. So, or whatever, you know, I'll be. I'm not sure what's going on, and I'll take it as it is. I know when I had my shoulder surgeries on either one, it was pretty much right on it. There was no dinking around. I mean, I wasn't even awake, and they were already moving my arm around. I was ready to come out and say, "What the heck do you think you're doing?" You know, and I'm not even awake, and you're, "What are you doing? Who are you? And why are you?"
I'm sorry. One time she woke up speaking Lakota.
Yeah, I speak.
It freaked them out totally. They did not.
Okay.
We didn't sure what she's saying.
Don't worry about it. It's okay. Anyways, I want to welcome whoever wants to watch what's going on, exams, whatever. We'll see if we can get some of the doctors to say it's okay, which they probably have no problem anyways. I'm hoping that this is informative to not just you guys, but to me also. I'm looking at different things that people are recommending, you know, to comfort your healing. Have more of a, it doesn't have to be instant gratification, but I'm getting results. And I know I'm going to have some falls. It's okay. Just get up and do it again.
Not real falls.
No, just, anyways. I want to run away and join the circus. I'm gonna have teddy bears. I gotta have teddy bears. I'll probably start grabbing my teddy bear here soon. If you see me running around with a teddy bear, don't worry about it. It's okay. And sometimes what you need from me. Well, thank you for hanging in there with us. Get a giggle or two. And grumpies and everything from me, don't take it personal. It's just probably where I'm at, the medications that they're going to have me on, pain, and just what have you. So it's kind of the disclosure. When you get to see me at Tiny like that, it's raw energy, so I don't know what I'm going to be like. I'm not sure if they're going to do the surgery to film it, but yeah, if they want it, that'd be cool. We'll put it on YouTube. Okay, well, we will see what happens here on the next posting on YouTube. Until later, aloha!